Grids and guides are a very necessary tool when working on layouts, and it gives us precision in our alignment. So I'm going to show you how to use your grids and your guide to bring good and accurate precision. So when you're in your interface, you just go to view, click on view, and you will see where they wrote margins and guide. You click on it, and when you click on it, you can either add a horizontal guide manually or you add a vertical one. So when you click on horizontal guide, it will add one. Let me shift it by slide so you see what I'm doing. So you can adjust the guide. You can see it in the middle here, so you can just adjust it. Maybe let's use 1000. This one you can manually adjust it to this position. Just click on whatever position you want it to be in and it will go there. So we click 15. Let's use 600. So look at it here. Then we'll add the vertical one, and you can see it's 750 at the middle. So that is for if you want to add it on the which you want to use that, it use the distance and the placements. So but if you can just remove it and put it in. So we remove all guides, then we can actually put it with a custom guide, columns and rows. So you come to here, the root columns, and impute the number of guides. Let's use 3. Then rows, we'll put 3 again. So then we click enter, and as you can see, they have shown. Then is either if it's on fill, put it on outline. Because if you're using fill, this is what it will give you. If you're using fill, then you come to Gota and increase it to like 200, or let's use 50, increase it to 50. Then you can now change the color to something. So this is what it will give you. Like as you can see, when you choose a color, this is what it will give you. So but it will not show in your export, so it will not show. I don't think it will show. So but what we are using is outline. So when it's on outline, take it to 0. So I will just be seeing the line. It will help you to have a good precision and outline and alignment in your layout. So that is for the columns. You can just take it back to 0. Take everything back so it will disappear. Then for the margins, you can use 50. Let's use 50. So but if this thing is clicked on, this stuff here, then it will automatically apply for all. But if you unclick it, then you can arrange each one individually. So it's automatic. So after you have put 50, just click enter. It will see. Look at the margins it's showing. So I will go back and remove the margins now. I'll put it back on 0 and click enter. So it's gone. Then there's another way to also put these guides. So for example, you don't have your rulers. It's not there. This is how to put rulers. You go to view, then click on show, then click on your rulers. It will be out. So when you want to create a guide manually from your rulers, you can just drag from here to create a horizontal line or vertical line. Just drag from here and place it. Come here, drag and place it according to where you want it to be. You can drag as many as you want. Then when you're done, you can also take it back and it will disappear. So this is for the guides. Then when you want to work with grids, come back to view, go to show and click on grid. It will automatically appear. This is our grid, as you can see. It's showing on the canvas. You can remove it by going back to click on grid again. It will go. So that's how.